Chapter 12. No computers? Well. Neeli, the 12-year-old daughter of the village chief, was a little puzzled when she learned from a TV program that the World Wide Web is a huge book containing billions of information, and that you can find any information instantly on the web. She wondered, if there were so many pages, then surely it will take hours to search information you want. Then how is it possible to know everything at once? As she didn't have any clue, she preferred to ask the tech guru, a learned middle-aged man who managed a computer information center in the village, to help villagers tackle various problems by using computer technology. Tech Guru was sitting in front of his system in a small office when Neeli reached there. She was lost in thoughts when Guru called her. Tech Guru: Hey Neeli, how's it going? Neeli: No, nothing. I want to learn about many subjects that are not taught in our school. Can you please tell me how we could search information on the web? Is it simple? Tech Guru: Neeli, your curiosity is genuine. The web connects computers in different parts of the world through the internet. For a novice to find information from the web is like searching a needle in the forest. Neeli: So you mean it's not that simple? Tech Guru: Don't lose heart, my little child. I agree that if you don't use the right search techniques on the web, you will lost in the information jungle and will get everything except what you want. But using some specific methods, you can easily gain sufficient knowledge in the area of your internet. Neeli: Then what's the technique, Tech Guru? Tech Guru: You know the right way to search is to use search engines. Neeli: Search engine? What's that? Tech Guru: Search engines work as a web directories that simplify the information search process. They allow you to specify your words to show you a list of web pages that matches your words. You can click the right link to know more about the subject. Your search result will be more useful if you're specific in stating your keywords. For example, if you want a list of hotels in Delhi, you can specify Delhi hotels in search box of a search engine. But if you simply types in hotel, you'll get the whole lot of irrelevant information. Neeli: Is that all? Can you tell me more about search engines? Tech Guru: The search engines allow you to narrow down your search further. If you use advanced technique like Boolean searching, Boolean operators like AND or and not allow you to be more specific while searching. Simply, there are other advanced methods, and you can find some of the popular search engines at Google websites. Neeli: That's really interesting. Can you also tell me something about the new developments in web searching? Tech Guru: Neeli, you are really an inquisitive child. You will be glad to know that the present day web has entered a new phase, which is projected as Web 2.0. Google, the major search engine, is offering map service that aim to generate computer simulation of the physical world. Now, using web-based search services, we are able to focus on other forms of information such as traffic flow on the road, positioning of building in different parts of the world, etc., all in our computer or our smartphone in our palms. Neeli: Thank you, Tech Guru. Now I can hope to get sufficient knowledge from the web.